I just wanted to jump on really quickly and let you guys know this Memorial Day weekend, City Beauty, which you guys hear me talk about, you know I love all of their skincare. They are having a 30% off site-wide sale. That's only half the exciting news. The other half is they have dropped a new product. I was lucky enough to get a chance to try it. So I have been using it for about a month, and it is the Ultra Fill Marionette Line Treatment. It's a pump. It's neat, a little bit like that. I tap my fingers together and it goes in your marionette lines and up your nasolabial fold. I feel like you can see instant fill on the area. Instantly your lines look smoother, but I have also found that over time it has absolutely made a difference in the depth of these lines. It relaxes the skin. There's something in it, I don't know what it is, that relaxes the skin when you put it on, but over time it's got sesame extract and 4D hyaluronic acid, peptide complex, so also long term it helps your skin. I have been trying that and I have just been waiting for it to drop because I wanted to talk to you guys about it. The other thing that dropped, and it sold out so quickly, within like a day, I didn't even get a chance to get a video up, and that's the new night oil. So you just use this on your lips last thing, like when you're going to bed, and I love it because it gives you moisture, and over time it also helps reduce the lines around your edges. Used to be smoker's line. I think the next generation, they're going to call them straw lines because everybody loves their Stanleys, and you're doing the same thing as smoking. So I would suggest, even if you're younger, never too young to start treating the skin around your lips. You know, with 30% off site-wide, I used probably 10 or 11 of their products. It was so hard to decide what I wanted to show you, but I had to show you the lid lifting treatment. It just takes a little bit, and the beauty of it is it's not only skincare, but for me, I treat it like it's my primer. I don't use a primer on my eyelids anymore because this has the same texture. And just like this line filling treatment, I feel like this immediately started working and I saw less crepiness on top of my eyelids. But over time, since I've been using it, even when I don't do makeup days, so I don't necessarily put it on because I forget, I feel like there's a difference. And you guys know I couldn't not talk about this. It's the Advanced Eye Cream. I use this every day. This is my third one maybe. It's almost gone. And it is the first thing that I have ever used under my eyes that I feel has made a true difference with my dark circles. I absolutely believe that this has reduced the look of the dark circles under my eyes. I will link City Beauty since they are doing the 30% off for the weekend, the Ultra Fill Marionette Line Treatment. If that's a concern that you have, I highly recommend it, as with everything you just saw me put on. Have a great weekend.